In this video tutorial, we'll take a look at TeamCloud and MAXQDA 2022. With TeamCloud, you can easily share project files between multiple members of a team. First, let's start with the two roles users can have in projects. Each project has a fixed team lead and can have up to 4 additional team members. The roles are project-related. The team lead of a project can as well be a team member in other projects, and vice versa. A team member of a project can be a team lead of another project at the same time. In the MAXQDA 2022 Welcome dialog, you can now find a new tab for teamwork with TeamCloud. By clicking on this button here, I can log in or create a new account. After logging in, my TeamCloud projects are displayed here. Let's take a look at how I can create a new project and invite team members. I've purchased a TeamCloud license, so I can invite colleagues to work on a project with me in MAXQDA. First, we create a new project, add initial data, and maybe also create our first codes. We can upload this project to TeamCloud by clicking on the TeamCloud ribbon and then on Upload Project for Team. This will create a new version of the project, leaving the original project file intact. Once the project file is uploaded to the TeamCloud, I can use this button to invite other team members to the project. I can also use this website later to manage my team members, projects, and my license. When I invite my team members to the project now, they will receive a notification email which allows them to join the project. Let's switch to one of the team members. The team members can now download the project file and start working on the project. Once they are done with their work on the project, they can upload their files to the TeamCloud by clicking this button. In addition, a comment for the team lead can be written here. The team lead will then receive an email with a notification that the project has been uploaded and the comment. Via the TeamCloud website, we can track the changes made to the project file in the Recent Activities section. Let's take a look at the different possibilities that a team lead has. As team lead, you can view each team member's uploads and choose which data you want to import into the main file step by step. If you now want to upload a more advanced version of the project for the next cycle, you first receive this overview of individual team members' uploads, where the individual projects are marked red if they have not yet been imported into the main file. When a team lead uploads the project file again, the second cycle starts. Now individual team members can download the new project file, make changes, and then upload it to the TeamCloud once more for review by the team lead. Team members and team lead also have the ability to add logbook entries for the project. Here we can now enter a title for our logbook entry and the content of the entry. Individual logbook entries can then be viewed via the TeamCloud website. The team lead can also remove team members from the project or delete the entire project via the TeamCloud website. Of course, the project file can always be exported as a local project as well. And those were the basics of the new TeamCloud in MAXQDA 2022. We wish you all the best with your project.